This exponential equation confused 90% of Harvard entrance exam students. Can you solve this under a minute? Drop your answer in the comments. The exponential equation t raised to the power 32 equals 2 raised to the power t. Let's delve right into this.
Welcome to Math with Father. Welcome to Math with Father. Subscribe, like and share.
Solution. So from the exponential equation, we have t acting as a base, and then at the other side of the equation we have t acting as a power. Now the only way to solve this kind of exponential equation is to set t to a certain exponential form. Now t, so we would let t be equal to 2 raised to the power x. So why did I set t to this base together with this power? T was set to a base 2 because there was a base 2 at the other side of the equation. That was why t was set to a base 2. Now to the power x is a variable and x is quantified, which are numbers. Let's move on. Now from the first equation we have t raised to the power 32. Now t is substituted by 2 raised to the power x, all multiplying to the power 32 equals 2 raised to the power 2 raised to the power x as the second equation, as our second expression. Now we have a base 2, we have a base 2 here. So if the bases are the same, the powers are equated. Now we have 2 raised to the power 32x equals 2 raised to the power 2 raised to the power x. 32x is equal to 2 raised to the power x. So the bases are the same, so the powers are equated. Now at this juncture, x is a quantity. So what we will do is to substitute in values the natural numbers. So let's start with 1. When x is equal to 1, 32 multiplying 1 equals 2 raised to the power 1, and 32 is never equal to 2. So meaning x can never be 1. But running through this equation, this exponential equation, what I saw was I substituted in all the values, and then when I go to the value 8, when x is 8, let's see, 32 multiplying 8 equals 2 raised to the power 8. Now 32 multiplying 8 gives us 256 equals 2 repeating itself, 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, 1 2 3 4 5 6 times 2 times 2. 2 by 2 4, 4 by 2 8, 8 by 2 16, 16 by 2 32, 32 by 2 64, 64 by 2 128, 128 by 2 256. So our other side of the equation is also giving us 256. So from here we can generalize that x is equal to 8. So if x is equal to 8, now t was set to a certain exponential form. So So t was set to t was equal to 2 raised to the power x. Now let's substitute in that t was equal to 2 raised to the power x, and x is 8, so we have t equals 2 raised to the power 8, and t gives us 256. So from our equation 256 to the power 32 is equal to 2 raised to the power 256. So this was the solution to the question. Now it's your turn. Try solving similar exponential equation and share your answer below. If this helped, smash the like button, subscribe, and let's make
Subscribe,
math
like,
and
and
science
share.
a reality together. Thank you. I'm out.
Welcome to Math with Father. Welcome to Math with Father.